Does anyone else have a partner that just likes to leave their stuff here or here or here just because it's easier to access, or even this over here, or just anywhere where you do have space and you could put it away, but it's just in a location where it shouldn't be because it's just more convenient? I've been looking for something to put these little things somewhere so that I could address the problem. And you know what? Jowua, funny enough, actually just released this product. So it was something that I was considering. I'd never bit the bullet in terms of other brands, but knowing Jowua, they've always been high quality items. And yeah, as soon as they released this, I got in touch with them, and here it is, guys. So let's unbox it and I'll show you guys what's in here. So yeah, this is basically the box, and it is for actually it suits the new Highland Model 3, the new Tesla Model 3, and also all existing Tesla Model Y. So the great thing about this one, supposedly, there's an invisible and a hidden design, shock absorption, noise reduction, powerful magnetic design. You also do get the Magsafe LED, where it's compatible with that, and there is also a power-up Jowua hub, which it says over here that it is included. So open it up. I'll take out each item one by one, and I'll show you guys what we've got. So we've got the portable LED light that you guys may have seen before. Basically, it is a Magsafe light. So all you need to do really is tap on this I think 1 or 2 times or something, and then it should turn on, and it says put it on the charger before you use it. So I've actually got the mount over here, so I'll throw that on. Next up, we have over here the 1.75 meter USB-C to USB-C cable. So that's obviously and it's 60 watts, supports charge and data sync, and it's got an L-shaped 90-degree connector, which is fantastic. So apparently it plugs into the back and you just loop it through to the front. So I'll open this up just to show you guys. And it also comes with some Velcro straps to tie up any loose ends. But there you go, that's essentially what it looks like. Then over here we've got the Jowua power hub. So it's designed to pretty much input, and I'll put the specs up on the screen for you guys, but input 20 volt 3 amp 60 watt max. Input is USB-C 1 and USB-C 2, 20 watts, 30 watts, and then a USB-A at 18 watts. So little USB-C cable here. This looks like it might be magnetic, just a cover I need to remove, and you can see there 30 watts, 20 watts. And then we've got the item itself. So first things first, it comes with a very thick rubber non-slip type mat, and it's got 2 bumps down here, which I presume it just sits on top of the holes over here. And yeah, it should just connect on fairly easily. So let's get this thing installed. So first things first, let's put this mat in. Now it doesn't click into place or anything, so really it is just putting that in place. And then this circle here is because of the Magsafe light that you can put underneath for it to light up. Alright, and before we install it, let me show you guys the rest of it. So as I said, that's the bit that's hidden and it pulls down. That bit sits beneath the screen, and you can see over here that they've got a lot of, I guess, rubber cushioning over here, so you're not going to scratch anything at all. And then in terms of installation, really over here there's a little latch with an arrow. Hopefully you guys can see that. Once we flick that, this basically should come off, There you go. And then you just pretty much clamp it across and then you're done. Alright, so what I'm going to do is basically put this underneath here and let this clamp across. So just need to wriggle this around. Okay, so once you've got it around, all you need to do is hook this across. Alright, so once you've got this around, all you need to do is latch it. And there you go. So that's pretty much all installed. So you guys can't even tell that it's installed. Now let me use the light to actually show you guys the entire thing. So as I said, shining the light, you guys can't even really tell that it's installed. There is that little one notch over here. How does it look from the side? Let me bring the camera around. Alright, and in terms of how it looks on the side, you can see this is pretty much behind where it latches around, and you've clips right over here, right there. And then you've also got this bit here, which is designed for, they've got a new thing that they've got coming soon. Basically you attach your usual, I forgot what size it is, but it's just a normal adapter, sort of like a tripod extension. It brings it up here, and then you guys can use your phone as a dash cam. You can, use it to record stuff. You can mount your camera and everything like that. So when that does come, I'll show you guys what it looks like. But the main thing really is, and what we're here to see, is the rest of it down here and how much it actually improves the space. But the main thing we're here to see really isn't about the installation. It's about how much space do you guys actually get. So as you guys can see here, there's a latch or a little bit of notch over here. All you need to do really, so you've still got access to your phone, this light as an example, to put it over here or to put it over here. Imagine that's your phone. But in terms of the space, so all you need to do is pull this down, and here you go, non-stick mat. So new glasses can go here, sanitizer can go there. Now let's see if we can close it with no issues. Look at that. Finally. And the cool thing as well is they've actually thought about it. They've got a little edge that's come up over here. So even if you are driving rough or big bumps or anything at all, it's not really going to fall out. How good's that? And then in terms of this hub, where does this hub go? So this hub really goes at the top. So let me show you guys that. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see that quite clearly. What we're about to install is the hub. So remember, it's magnetic. You've got a 20 watt and a 30 watt over here. All we really need to do is, where is it? Now I'm looking back to front, so hopefully that works okay. There you go. And then there is a little hole on the side over here where you can just plug in the adapter or the USB-C port. Now I'm looking on the side, so it's a little bit hard for me. There we go, we've got that in. And then you just run it down the side to the back of your car, and then Bob's your uncle. And now just bear in mind that if you guys already have this phone stand here, the Jowua one, you can technically just use the cable from here. This also does quick charging as well. However, in my instance, because I want to use that hub as separate to USB-Cs, I'm still going to run the second cable down the other side and call it a day. Alright, we've finished installing it. So basically you see down on the right hand side here, I'm using the USB-C port. Then it's basically running down the side inside this trim underneath here, all the way across, up over here and across to the other side where you can see there. Unfortunately it doesn't fit in this section over here, definitely just fits over there. Okay, and in terms of the Magsafe ring, this is the light, so just put it on there, and again it's just a touch right there to turn it on, and you've got your various light modes that you can go through there. And then you can still pull that down and you can still access whatever you need to, and close it right there. And then if you need to charge it, put it straight on there, and then that begins charging. You can see the little light over there. And that essentially wraps up the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure you like this video, you hit subscribe for more content. If you guys have any questions on this item at all, whether it's install, whether or not a couple of months down the track I'm still using it, anything at all, please drop it in the comment box below. If you guys do want to grab one yourself, make sure you use code word, it's an affiliate discount code. Use code word Zapped for 5% off anything on the Jowua store. I'll put a link in the description with all of those details, and just remember this is for the Model Y, also for the Model 3 as well. So highly recommended based on Jowua's products that I've used in the past, and I think it's really great because this actually hides stuff, so it gives you an additional storage space. So I personally really like that. Thanks again to Jowua for sending this through, or sending it through to me on such short notice. It's fantastic. I haven't really seen too many reviews on this item as yet. Can't fault the quality on their products, to be honest. But as I said, if you guys got any questions at all, drop it in the comments box below. And yeah, give the video a like, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you soon.